Sometimes here on the channel we do get to pick up a few big things. This is the pump end off of a 75 horsepower motor for a well pump. Show you something. Brass, 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 stainless steel. Nice little collection here. Let's see what's in our bin. Wait, where'd it go? Scrap and junk. Did you come all the way down here and get it? I know you wanted to get a hold of some of this fine stuff I've got. I can't believe you. Oh wait, scrap and junk didn't do this. I've already loaded it on the truck. Silly me, silly me. Evening everyone. Hope y'all are doing well. I'm enjoying this evening. I hope you are too. We're going to attempt at some point to cut this piece of cast off and just get these impellers, because they're worth more than the rest of this combined probably. And fallout sales, maybe we'll just have something else to fall back on. Maybe. Just maybe. Big brass. Right there looks like a gate valve. Yep. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. I see green. I know what I'm doing. Holy crap. Okay. Oh boy. Oh boy. More brass. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Y'all, look at this. But this, I don't even know what this is, which moth this is, but it is beautiful. I think I disturbed it. I think I disturbed it from sleeping. That right there is the money shot, don't y'all think? Oh, look at that beautiful thing. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I'm just going to put you where you can be a little bit better off and not in danger of me. I hope we didn't damage it. Well, the truck driver's here, not here, so I hope I didn't damage it. Just for some comparison. Made a friend, maybe. Oh, there he is. There he is. I hope I didn't hurt him. I think we found a few things. Alright. Let's clean up our area a little bit more. This is number 8 wire, I believe. Yep, it's got some weight to it. Hey. Holy crap! Sometimes you have too much junk on your truck. That's stainless. That's brass. That's brass. stainless steel elbow. Might have been a little water in that one. Just a little bit. We got us a special bucket of our own making. It's gonna be so nice to go through this later. Well, I've got everything out of the bin. I'm gonna grab these last few pieces sitting over here behind me up and put them on the truck. I'm gonna go home, get a shower, and sit with the dog. Because I'm beat and I'm done, I think, for the night. But if you're not done yet, we've got plenty of other videos on this channel. Go check out. And the name drop we're going to do this time around is we're going to suggest you go over to Scrap and Junk's channel. He's got a bunch of videos. I'm sure he'd love to hear from you. So leave him a comment on something. He'll get back to you pretty quickly, I think. I've talked to him a little bit outside of YouTube, and he seems to be a fairly decent guy, and he's got a few things going on right now. So just go talk to him. I'm sure he'd appreciate it, and maybe look around, like one of his videos or two if you do, and if you really like it, just maybe subscribe to him. Anyway, thank you for stopping by. We're gonna go get some sweet tea. I think that's what we're gonna do. Oh boy. Scrap Rodriguez. Some pickles sound good, don't they? Anyway, y'all have a good night. We'll talk to you later.